we gonna go right ahead and jump into this video. So if you can't already tell from the video description, I got some fog lights for the Civic. I had fogs before, but unfortunately I ruined them, so I had to get another setup. Everything brand new, still in the packaging. It's super cold outside, guys, so I'm gonna head to Quasi's house and try to do this in his garage. I'm gonna take the bumper off the car, all that stuff. So stay tuned and let's get this video started. Alright guys, I had to make a quick stop at Leighton's house real quick because the car is not passing 3,000 RPM even when I'm driving. So I asked him to look at it. He said it might be a sensor. I'm gonna show you what the car is doing real quick. I'm gonna show you what the car is doing, and then Leighton is gonna help me fix it because I think he knows the problem. He's like the master mechanic of every thing. So let me show you guys real quick. But this is what the car is doing. About to plug the OBD2 in and read and check engine light. Nah, I could find the whole mo. Stop playing with me. This is the sensor, and it's held by two bolts, two 10mm bolts. So I'm gonna take the two 10mm bolts off and then clean this freaking sensor. Apparently there were two bolts on the back too. I just got the sensor out, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go clean this up and then I'm gonna throw it back and then hopefully we'll fix the problem. So I'm about to go get the fog started and set up. Dude got a freaking tablet, an iPad. You think the problem's fixed?
Let's find out.
Alright guys, so apparently the freaking sensor, hey buddy, apparently the sensor didn't fix the problem. The sensor did not fix the problem at all. Once I started driving and the car got warm, it was like clogged, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna buy another sensor and then throw it in the car, and hopefully that fixed the problem. If not, I know it's something definitely bigger. But that's it for the sensor for today. I'm gonna focus my attention to putting the fog lights in right now. Go ahead and take these quick releases off. Really that easy to get my bumper off. As you guys could tell from my last video, if you guys haven't seen my last video, the link should be right there. Go ahead and give it a watch for me. But let's get the bumper inside, do all the fog shit. While Quasi work on his Beamer to fix his engine, I'll be over here working on the fog. So I gotta cut this outline, and then this whole shit should come right out. And then I gotta disassemble this, put this part at the front, and then this part at the back, and then tighten everything up. So let's hop into that. Alright guys, so I didn't make an outline. I'm basically just winging it. I'm gonna grab the grinder and just start cutting shit up. It wasn't coming through the back, so I flipped it over and I'm gonna do it from the front. Alright guys, I didn't vlog everything, but I managed to get the whole out. Not so perfect, but it's gonna fit perfect. Look at this. All we have to do is sit this right in there, and it literally sits flush. There's no extra holes anywhere. Everything's just like literally perfect. So once I get the fog lights in, I'm gonna throw them back on the car, and then the only thing that we're gonna need to complete this look is the lip. So I'm gonna order that, and that should be here soon, and the car should be looking good again soon. This is a side-by-side comparison. I messed up on the bumper a little bit, but I'm not worried because when the lip gets here, that will be covering it. I love how it turned out. It looked way better than just having like a plain spot, you know? This shit's gonna be looking perfect. Quasi's still working on his Beamer. Wait, what are we trying to do?
Shifter. Back. The shifter.
Trying to put the shifter back. He's working on that. It's okay, bro. It'll be alright.
Yeah.
She'll be up soon. gonna be tearing shit up. And we definitely bringing importation
Shut
back.
the fuck up. You're not part of import. You're not part of
Definitely bringing importation back for a fact. Alright guys, I did the first one kind of slow. So I'm gonna challenge myself and I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take me to do the other side. So I'll get back to you guys in a bit. So I started this at 4:15, now it's 4:20. And I gotta say for 5 minutes, that's a pretty good freaking cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the fog lights in. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do the wiring. And then that should be it. So let's get that done. Okay guys, it's super cold out here. It's super cold out here. But I wanna get this video done and show you guys what this look like. If you guys haven't subscribed already, go down below and make sure you subscribe. But fortunately for me already, I already done this. So this comes with 2 wires. These wires right here is for the fog lights itself. This is the grounds, which is like this on the old one. I'm gonna throw that on it underneath the right there, actually, where there's already a grounds for the windshield washer fluid. So I'm about to put this on right here. I already have the ones for the inside, but I am gonna show you guys just because I know some of y'all haven't done it, and just in case you want to do it, you'll know what exactly to do. Underneath the steering wheel, there's a brown connector piece up there. That's what you want to connect the other side into, because that's their fog light. It's pretty hard to find because like factory, they tuck it so that you can't find it. I managed to find it. After you find it, you just hook up the wires, hook up the relay, and run everything and put it right here. So as you push the button, you get your fogs working. I hope you guys are excited as much as I am, because it looks so good. So good. Oh my god. All right, you guys ready to see it? Here we go. I really love how it looks. It looks off right now because the freaking lip flew off on the highway. You guys still have a lot more content coming. The next video should be up in about a week. I'm trying to get into the habit of posting weekly. So as long as it don't snow, then I'll have vlogs for you guys. On that note, guys, give this video a fat thumbs up for me down below and subscribe.